So quite an interesting story, and I think there's quite many researchers or who have done PhD and then want to do something else but don't really know where to go. What advice you have for people who have done a PhD but are maybe looking that the research is not their thing? How
Yeah.
to move to a new position away from academia?
There's like anything, there's lots of different ways. The way I did it and the way that I coach other people is to try and make a list of all the things that you like doing. So that might be research, but it could be gardening, it could be cooking, etc. And then you could make another list. So that's the list of things that you like. You could make another list of all the things that you would happily do for money. So those two lists might have some common items, but some different ones as well. And then the final list is the list of things that people would pay you to do. So you might happily cook for money, but not many people would necessarily pay you to be a chef. So that might be taken off the list. But you might like, for example, lots of people in research think, in scientific research, think, oh, I might do science communication. So that might be something that other people could pay you to do. And then have a look around the marketplace, look around on social media. Like I said, I like social media a lot. Search social media for those keywords, those things that you like, that you would happily do for money and that people would pay you for money. And that's a useful starting place. I often use the analogy of riding a bike as well. So, it's really easy to watch someone ride a bike. It's really easy to read about riding a bike, but the only way to really learn to ride a bike is to get on a bike. And that's the same with careers. You can read about what it's like to, like you run a podcast, develop and use fitness tracking devices, but the only way to actually learn how to do